Hello friends, welcome once again. Now, clarity of vision is very important in life, and you would have realized through my previous videos. There is a beautiful quote by a psychologist, famous psychologist Carl Jung. He says, "Your vision will become clear only when you can look into your own heart. Who looks outside dreams, who looks inside awakes." It's spoken by Jung. He's a famous psychologist. Now, I'd like to know what do you understand by this, and how can you relate the AFOSP videos with the whole idea of bringing clarity in your perception as far as SSB preparation is concerned. So I'll request your feedback on this, and we'll take on from there. Now, in the last 2 weeks, I had posted a couple of videos. जहाँ पे there was one video where the director of Armed Forces Preparatory Institute Nagpur, that is Atharv Pandit, this person, he was in conversation with Devang Asturkar, who is a recently recommended Air Force candidate for the Air Force pilot entry. And DCA, this AFPI director, was in communication. In fact, there are two videos between this conversation between the director, Armed Forces Preparatory Institute, and Devang. And there was another video where a cadet, Mayuresh Patil, he belongs to a school, Defense Career Academy, and their director, Mr. Kedar Rahane, they were in conversation with me. And incidentally, Mayuresh के स्कूल का डीसी औरंगाबाद के 4 लड़कों का सिलेक्शन इस बार एनडीए में हुआ है. So that was a big event for the school, and I have been associated with both these schools, Armed Forces Preparatory Institute and Defense Career Academy, for their SSB training along with the self-management leadership. Now, post this video, और there was another one, अक्षय शर्मा करके एक लड़का था जो देहरादून का रहने वाला है, who also is a recommended candidate for FCAT पायलट एंट्री के लिए, जिसने अगेन सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट लीडरशिप का जिक्र किया है. एंड इसमें तो इनफैक्ट फर्स्ट वाले वीडियो में स्पेसिफिकली मिस्टर अथर्व ने पूछा था, व्हाई डिड यू चूज सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट लीडरशिप ओवर SSB. दिस बॉय हैड डन SSB, देन वेंट थ्रू दिस. सो आफ्टर 2-3 these videos, there were a lot of inquiry on the whole idea of self management leadership. ये क्या है, how is it relevant to their preparation for SSB or whatever, and who all can attend it, and what is covered in this. In fact, in many parts I've already conveyed what is covered, but since the question बहुत ज़्यादा ही आ गए after these two directors of these two institutions, AFPI and DCA, having come on the FOSUP channel, so I thought I'll make a video clarifying ki what is this SML, and I'll make a separate. Already I made it. Little editing is left, so I'll do it by this Sunday evening. I should be able to upload that, so I'll request you to kindly watch that. And बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, so who can attend it? Is it only for SSB candidates? So my answer is no. It is not only for SSB candidate, but for SSB candidate it becomes a must, because SSB is a personality based selection, and this is purely self-management leadership, is purely leadership and personality development program, whether you come for SSB or not. So that way SML is applicable to across everybody, but definitely for SSB candidates this will act as a foundation, नींव, जिसके ऊपर आप rest of the building can be made. So for the purpose of SSB interview, when you go to the SSB interview with a desire to get 2 stars on the shoulder, you have to understand it is a personality based selection, and they are testing on 4 levels: the physical level, the intellectual, the emotional, and the value level. And then accordingly there are 4 factors. Factor 1, factor 2, factor 3, factor 4. Factor 1 corresponds to the intellectual level, factor 2 corresponds to the emotional level, factor 3 is social effectiveness or leadership factors, and factor 4 is dynamic. So कुल मिला के 4 dimension. It is like a car. It's like a car with 4 tires. Now कार में तो चारों टायर दिखता है, लेकिन जीवन में only the physical tire is visible. The other 3 tiles are not visible, but they exist. So SSB requires a balance in your personality. That means all 4 tires must be in balance, like in case of a car. But क्योंकि हमें दिखता नहीं है, तो कहीं ना कहीं हम physical dimension पे अटक गए, and the other three dimensions have become invisible to us. So we have to focus on that. And so your SSB ka training definitely consists of two parts. The major and the 90% part is the personality and leadership development, which will consist of your identification of gap at these four levels and then bridging that gap. So this is purely leadership and personality development. So nothing to do with SSB as such. And the second part, which is the 10% of the lesser part, is to understand the procedure of SSB. ये stage 1 क्या है, TAT क्या है, WAT क्या है, SRT क्या है. But that will only make sense when you have developed your personality. So this is the personality development का मॉड्यूल एंड दिस इज द टेस्टिंग टूल, पर्सनालिटी को टेस्ट करने का टूल. तो टेस्टिंग टूल को प्रैक्टिस करके फायदा नहीं है अगर आपने इसको पर्सनालिटी एंड लीडरशिप ट्रेट्स को डेवलप नहीं किया. सो दिस फॉर्म्स पार्ट ऑफ द 90% ऑफ योर ट्रेनिंग एंड 10% टू दिस. अनफॉर्चुनेटली इफ यू लुक एट द प्रेजेंट ट्रेनिंग मॉडल, दे आर ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट द टेस्टिंग टूल, TAT, स्टेज 1, स्क्रीनिंग, हाउ टू राइट गुड TAT. You cannot write good TAT unless you are good. सो उसमें फिर मैनिपुलेशन हो जाता है कि हाइड कोर क्वालिटी, सुसाइडल टेंडेंसीज को छुपा दो, स्ट्रेस हैंडलिंग नहीं कर सकते उसे छुपा दो. तो पर्सनल ओनली 10% पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं, उसमें भी डेवलपमेंट की जगह उसमें भी मैनिपुलेशन हो रहा है. तो वो बड़ा एक डिस्टॉर्टेड है, उसका एक समझ तो आपको आ ही गया होगा. और कुल मिला के हमें इन दोनों डायमेंशन पे, दैट इज व्हाट इज योर करंट स्टेटस ऑफ पर्सनालिटी एंड लीडरशिप स्किल्स एंड हाउ मच इज द एक्सपेक्टेशन, हाउ मच इज द प्रेजेंट लेवल, हाउ मच इज द गैप. ये गैप आपको इसमें भी पता होना चाहिए और SSB के टेस्टिंग टूल्स में भी पता होना चाहिए, और दोनों को ब्रिज करना. दैट शुड बी द अप्रोच टू ट्रेनिंग. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इसके बारे में कोई बात नहीं करता. नाम के लिए बोलते हैं हम पर्सनालिटी ट्रेनिंग कराते हैं, इसको डवटेल करा देंगे, बट हो क्या रहा है, TAT WAT हो रहा है. आई डोंट नो ये मेरी बात आप लोगों को किस हद तक समझ में आ रहा है. तो ये जो प्रेजेंट अप्रोच ये है. नाउ इन दी AFOSOP एंड SML का जो 4 वीक्स का कॉम्पोजिट बैच है, यहाँ पे इट इज़ 2 वीक्स ऑफ SML एंड 2 वीक्स ऑफ SSB. ये आपको बहुत अच्छे से पता चल गया होगा. एंड यहाँ पे आपको the 2 weeks of SML is only focusing on personality development and leadership development, and definitely जो चीज़ completely ignored है इन dimensions के ऊपर आपका काम किया जाता है, and you will come to know the gap and also you will know how to bridge it. So there is no question of giving you inputs like इसको छुपा दो, suicidal tendency को hide कर दो, core quality को hide कर दो. Nothing to be hidden. We will identify it, we'll accept it and we'll correct it. And the second portion is the SSB portion. Definitely क्योंकि आप SSB में जा रहे हैं, SSB के बारे में समझ. So the AFOSO will focus purely on the testing tools, और testing tools में टेस्ट करके how much is the gap, और उस gap को कैसे भरना, वो यहाँ पे नहीं भर सकते, वो आपको कहाँ भरना पड़ेगा, वो आपको इधर भरना पड़ेगा. So when you fill here, this will get filled. So that is the whole approach to the training. So those who wish to join the 2 weeks oblique 4 weeks का composite batch, for those who are going for SSB, definitely SML will become a foundation for your SSB. So you're most welcome to register for the next batch which starts every Monday. हर Monday से महीने के किसी भी Monday को आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. तो उसके लिए आप व्हाट्सएप करना 8275577650 में, और अगर कोई क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहिए कैन गिव मी अ कॉल. सो महीने के किसी भी मंडे में, इंक्लूडिंग अगला जो आने वाले मंडे में, यू कैन ज्वाइन. सो दैट इज फॉर दैट. नाउ एक सवाल आता है, हु ऑल कैन ज्वाइन SML. ये जो पोर्शन है, दिस इज प्योरली SSB स्पेसिफिक. तो देर इज नो पॉइंट पीपल हु आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन coming and joining this 2 weeks. That is, AFOSOP is not for candidates who are not wanting to join the armed forces. उनके लिए ये नहीं है. AFOSOP का ये जो प्रोग्राम है 2 weeks का, this is only for people who are going for the service selection board interview to become officers in the Army, Navy, Air Force and Indian Coast Guard. But self management leadership, ये जो मॉड्यूल है, this module anyone can attend. Anyone. In fact, we had cases of a 73-year-old lady, in fact Dadi Ma, attending this, and we had shipping professional, merchant navy के captains coming and attending it. Many IT के जो लड़के and लड़कियाँ who are not interested in SSB but in understanding self, developing self as a person, understanding their emotional complexes, they have attended. We had married people. We have in fact डिफेंस कैरियर इंस्टीट्यूट का जो ये है क्या बोलते हैं, व्हाट इज हिज नेम, डायरेक्टर मिस्टर केदार राणे, he himself had attended a paid course of 2 weeks, and currently the director, Armed Forces Preparatory Institute, is in regular attendance along with the students in the self-management leadership के classes के लिए. So in case we want, you can speak to them and take a feedback. उनका feedback उनके respective videos में दिया हुआ है कि उन्होंने इस पूरे स्कूल में क्यों इसको ले लिया है. सो ये जो लेटर है, इस लेटर में देखो, आई अप्रिशिएट द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ आर्म फोर्सेस ऑफिसर सिलेक्शन ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम AFOSOP. दिस इज द प्रोग्राम विच इज प्योरली फॉर SSB candidates. And assisted introspection. And assisted introspection is today conducted under the name self-management leadership. And assisted introspection is a sub-module within self-management leadership. And this is relevant to everybody. For married couple, for parents, for people who are going to get married, people who are going through marital conflicts, people who wish to develop their leadership and personality development, working professional, non-working professional, everybody is eligible to attend this program, self-management leadership. तो self-management leadership को सवाल ये आता है, who can attend? Self-management leadership course is for those who have to lead self and others through times of accelerating change. अब it can be a housewife, क्योंकि आज आपने जिस तरह का देखा कोरोना के माहौल में, everybody has to motivate themselves and everybody has to motivate others because of the mental disorders that we are going through because of the current corona crisis and the kind of uncertainty it has developed in our society and within us. Now एक चीज़ तो समझ में आ गया होगा, even when corona crisis gets over, I don't think we will ever be able to go back to those days, to 2020 के शुरुआत में. Everything has changed actually. The entire dynamics of our living has changed because of this corona. And corona का जो present अभी second wave चल रहा, the way it is going, it's very scary. And I only pray for everybody that all of us remain safe with the family and friends and all those people who have departed us due to various reasons. And we pray for them that they रेस्ट इन पीस. बट एक चीज़ पता है, जिस तरह का भी ये माहौल हो गया, थिंग्स विल नेवर बी गोइंग बैक टू द स्टेबल पैटर्न्स ऑफ आवर प्रीवियस 2020s and beyond. In fact, because of technology, already so many disruptions are happening. So global competition, new technologies, disruptive social, transformation that are happening, uncertainty that is otherwise was existing now with the corona thing, so much of uncertainty. We don't, it's so unpredictable क्या होने वाला. There's a kind of fear anxiety that is setting in people. Your careers are at stake. पता नहीं चल रहा किस तरह से things are going to happen. Increasing complexity of the life and the way we are conducting ourselves. And the pace at which things are changing. इसमें we all need to manage the world within us. And परिवर्तन जीवन का नियम है. Self management leadership इस माहौल में will clearly act as a compass to your journey through uncertain conditions of life that it is presenting. It is currently in an extreme state because of the COVID, but as such our life needs certain degree of direction, be it SSB or be it life. So in that sense, change is the only constant. हमें जीवन में परिवर्तन निरंतर करते रहना है. A to B को छोड़ के C to D में, जिस तरह से ये ट्रपेजियम में लड़की जंप कर रही है. Now how do we do that? To do that we need certain internal management skills. Modern management हमें 5 M's को मैनेज करना सिखाता है, men, material, machine, method and money. लेकिन हमारे scriptures क्या बोलते हैं? You cannot manage these 5 M's of the outer world if you cannot manage the one more M of your inner world, that's your mind. So if you can manage the world inside you, you can manage the world outside you. जीवन में निरंतर डिसीजन लेना पड़ता है. डिसीजन में बिटवीन द स्टिमुलस एंड द रिस्पॉन्स वी हैव द फ्रीडम ऑफ चॉइस. उस फ्रीडम ऑफ चॉइस को कैसे ठीक करना है, उसके लिए ये सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट लीडरशिप का टूल. सो सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट लीडरशिप इज फॉर एवरीबॉडी, not only for SSB candidate. SSB candidate के लिए it is a must. Even if you're doing self preparation for SSB, you do that, but you go through the module of self management leadership because that has nothing to do with SML. This is purely based on development, the identification of gap and bridging the gap in terms of your leadership and personality skills. So I'll suggest everybody, whether you're going for SSB or not going for SSB, must go through this module. This module has nothing to do with the SSB module, which is the AFOSOP 2 weeks का separate module है. Now, what all it will help you. Self management leadership का जो ये कोर्स है, this will help you in integrating different priorities and responsibility in your life. Life means personal life, family life, work life, health. Health is not only physical health, mental health. And आपको पता है कोरोना के टाइम में mental illness itself is a mental health itself will become a big issue. I'll make more videos on that. And mental fitness है ना, community and personal and self development में बहुत मदद मिलेगा. Second is clarifying your focus in life, your personal purpose, goals, visions, life goals and direction. Whatever be it goal, be it SSB, be it civil services, be it engineering services, be it whatever, be it getting ready to get married or handling कोविड क्राइसिस, इंटरनल हैंडलिंग. बाहर तो डॉक्टर्स करेंगे, इंटरनल अपने मन को नियंत्रित करना. इट विल हेल्प यू इन डूइंग दैट. सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट लीडरशिप. नेक्स्ट इज लर्निंग हाउ टू फोकस योर मेंटल एनर्जीज एंड डेवलप द विल पावर नेसेसरी टू ब्रिंग अबाउट द चेंजेस यू वांट इन योर बिहेवियर एंड हैबिट. अपने मेंटल एनर्जीज, एकाग्रता की शक्ति, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, माइंड के डिस्ट्रैक्शन को कट करना, माइंड के नेचर को समझना, डिसीजन मेकिंग के बायसेस को समझना, डिसीजन मेकिंग के इंटरैक्शंस को, इंटरफेरेंस को समझना, डिसीजन मेकिंग के प्रोसेस को समझना, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को रिजॉल्व करना. ये सब बेसिक लाइफ स्किल्स है. एंड जब इनको डेवलप करोगे तो नेचुरली योर एबिलिटी टू रेस्पॉन्ड टू लाइफ विल बिकम मच मच बेटर. इंस्टेड ऑफ सर्प दृष्टि में फंस के उलझ जाना, प्रॉब्लम को बड़ा करने की बजाय मैग्नीफाई करने की जगह उसको कैसे सर्प दृष्टि से समझ के गरुड़ दृष्टि पे जाना है, या प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग है ना. ये दिस इज ऑल लाइफ स्किल्स. दे आर नॉट SSB स्पेसिफिक स्किल, दे आर लाइफ स्किल. SSB में डेफिनेटली वो चाहिए, बट दीज आर रिक्वायर्ड इन ऑल वॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ, बी इट मैरिड लाइफ, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ और हैंडलिंग द क्राइसिस ऑफ कोरोना. And next is developing an authentic communication skill, clarity and self-esteem necessary to inspire and empower others. You know, जितना complex situation है, leadership involves bringing that much clarity in your communication. So आपने भी देखा होगा मेरे videos में बहुत ज़्यादा clarity के ऊपर emphasis है. मैं तो बोलता भी 500% clarity है. ठीक उसी तरह से अगर आपको भी अपने preparation में, life के journey में क्लैरिटी आएगा तो आपके एफर्ट में अलाइनमेंट आएगा. वरना हम अंधेरे में तीर चलाते रह जाएंगे और हमें समझ में नहीं आएगा कि हम किस दिशा में जा रहे हैं. तो हमें दिशा, दशा और गति तीनों पे ध्यान रखना है. वरना हम अंधेरे पे तीर चलाएंगे, और अंधेरे पे तीर चलाएंगे तो जरूरी नहीं है कि वो निशाने पे लगेगा. तो सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट लीडरशिप विल ब्रिंग दैट लाइट विद इन यू, है ना. एक कोविड में एक व्हाट्सअप मैसेज घूम रहा था, इफ़ यू कैन नॉट गो आउटसाइड, गो इनसाइड. सो दिस विल हेल्प यू टू गो इनसाइड. आज अंदर बहुत अंधकार हो गया, उस अंधकार को तो बहुत तरीके से मदद करेगा. तो इवन मैरिड कपल्स आर वेलकम टू अटेंड, जिनके मैरिटल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स है, पेरेंटिंग कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स है, या गोइंग टू बी एक्सपेक्टिंग पेरेंट्स है, जो प्रेगनेंसी के फेज में जा रहे हो, या इवन जो ऑलरेडी पेरेंट्स हो, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स में है, कुछ हो गया, या इन जनरल यू वांट टू इम्प्रूव एज अ पर्सन, यू मोस्ट वेलकम. सो इसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए मैं आपको एक वीडियो का फीडबैक दिखाऊंगा. इट इज़ बाय मिस्टर प्रमोद बिल्हारे. इज़ फ्रॉम प्रमोद संपत बिल्हारे. ही इज़ फ्रॉम भांडुप, मुंबई से हैं. इज़ अ कॉर्पोरेट प्रोफेशनल. He is a 41-year-old person. He is not an SSB aspirant. He was. तो उनका एक फीडबैक देखेंगे. और उन्होंने सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट लीडरशिप का 2 वीक्स का बैच किया था, 29 मार्च से 10 अप्रैल 2021 तक. उन्होंने उस टाइम 10 अप्रैल को फीडबैक दिया था, बट समहाउ मैं उस फीडबैक को अपलोड नहीं कर पाया, तो आई एम डूइंग इट नाउ. तो ये 41 ईयर के मिस्टर प्रमोद संपत बिलारे जी ने क्या इस कोर्स के बाद बोला. एंड ही वाज अर्लियर SSB एस्पिरेंट. उन्होंने काफ़ी बार SSB दिया भी है. द लास्ट SSB ही गेव वाज फॉर टेरिटोरियल आर्मी इन 2016. और उन्होंने अपने फीडबैक के बाद ये बोला कि SML करने के बाद, SML के वीडियोस पहले बीच में देखते थे लेकिन डिले हो गया फॉर वॉट एवर रीज़न, एंड नाउ ही हैज़ जॉइंड नॉट विद द इंटेंशन ऑफ SSB बट टू अंडरस्टैंड ये क्या हुआ. एंड हैविंग गॉन थ्रू दिस, लास्ट में ये बोलते हैं, आई थिंक आई मिस्ड माई अपॉर्चुनिटी. I think I missed my opportunity. I should have gone through the SML module or the composite batch module much earlier. So I'll request you, all the boys and girls who are preparing for SSB or for any other competitive examination, please go through this feedback and understand कि आपको भी अगर अपने लक्ष्य को पाना है तो थोड़ा सा एफर्ट में अलाइनमेंट लाना पड़ेगा. एंड जहाँ पे भी पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट की बात है, दिस मॉड्यूल विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू. एंड स्पेसिफिकली फॉर दोज पीपल गोइंग फॉर SSB, डू नॉट इग्नोर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द सेल्फ. सिर्फ TAT WAT करोगे सेल्फ को बदले किए बिना, तो गिफ्ट रैपिंग बदलने से गिफ्ट की क्वालिटी चेंज नहीं होती। मुझे कमेंट लिख के बताना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, कि TAT WAT SRT को बदलोगे लेकिन खुद को अगर बदली नहीं करोगे, इट इज इक्वलेंट टू चेंजिंग द गिफ्ट रैपिंग विदाउट चेंजिंग द गिफ्ट. The gift wrapping does not define the quality of gift. That's a fundamental mistake जो आप लोग कर रहे हो. तो मुझे बताना इससे क्या समझ में आया, इस अभी जो मैंने बात बोला गिफ्ट रैपिंग का, तो उसके ऊपर हम आगे बात करेंगे. सो लेट अस लिसन टू मिस्टर प्रमोद संपत बिलारे, 41-year-old पर्सन फ्रॉम कॉर्पोरेट इंडिया, भांडुप मुंबई में रहते हैं. उनका फीडबैक ऑन द सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट लीडरशिप. सो लेट्स लिसन टू मिस्टर प्रमोद बिलारे.
So my name is Pramod Bilare, and I am a safety and security professional working since last 21 years, giving my services to different organizations, which is Jet Airways, the Marine, which is passenger cruise liner Costa Crociere, and now with the corporate security, which is GI India Laboratory. So the thought over, like I have been trying for SSB earlier, wherein I have gone through a couple of YouTube videos which were available from Colonel Ganesh Babu, and there I realized that this is something which could trigger me from within, and I then I thought over, let's get myself enrolled, but then it took the decision making took so long that I have now lost the age limit wherein I could have joined territorial army. I have cleared my I've been conference out in 2016. Since then I have been hooking on this sessions, but then I couldn't join at that point in time. But then finally I've been here, and the thought which were running behind, I mean, I can 100% say that those were worthy. And I repent now myself. I would have been taken this class earlier to have that thought. I mean, I have lost almost 4 to 5 years. Otherwise, I would have been an improved version of myself, definitely. So I would say, I mean, there are many other things. I can correlate throughout my life journey. Whatever things I have learned, I have done my MBA. I have attended many crash courses. And I can correlate. There are a few things, which I have already gone through. For example, the Pareto principle, or circle of influence, circle of concern. Many other things Sir had touched. But then it was very refreshing. I have lost the core of it, which Sir had helped me to bring that up. I would like to put across one thought. It's what Sir had done. I mean, there is always a golden circle of life in everything which we have, which starts, the outer layer is what, the inner layer is how, and the core of it is why. So Sir had definitely helped me to bring that core out, and opened my vision to start looking at why of each and everything, why it is happening in this way, and everything lies within. So whether it is problem or whether it is solution, there is nothing outside. That for sure I can say that, because what we see, it's a reflection of a reflection within. I mean, that is reflecting somewhere inside. So everything is inside, and we just need to sit quiet, look inside, and try to bring that stuff out to deal with the external situations. And the way Sir was sharing the life experience, it was really connecting. I mean, we can also connect ourselves with, okay, ये तो मेरे साथ भी हुआ था, वो तो मेरे साथ भी हुआ था. I mean, that is definitely a good connection. And all those tools, whatever we have shared, are really helpful, provided we implement them. So just learning will not help. Definitely, provided we implement them, this will help us. And two things what I would suggest each one of us to keep it throughout our life. One is consistency, and second is perseverance. So keep pursuing things. Don't let go. Don't give up, and keep that consistency on. I mean, aaj kiya hai, kal kiya hai, hafta bhar. Now it's been getting up morning at 5 o'clock. It's been long. I used to do that. But then I again started feeling so happy because as you rightly said, sir, morning hours are, it's a Brahmakal, so are more effective than any hour of the day. So you get up and you get yourself into your own self. It's amazing thing. I mean, that's a really, I mean, unforgettable experience. It will remain with me in my life. So thank you so much, sir. That's what the feedback I would like to give. Thank you so much for your efforts.
Thank you.